Compsognathus cleans parasites from a giant Stegosaurus, a prehistoric partnership. Imagine walking through a lush Jurassic forest nearly 150 million years ago. Towering ferns sway in the warm breeze, giant conifers stretch toward the sky, and the ground trembles beneath the footsteps of enormous dinosaurs. Among these giants lives the mighty Stegosaurus, protected by massive backplates and a spiked tail. But even such a powerful dinosaur has an enemy it cannot easily fight: tiny blood-sucking parasites. Unexpectedly, help arrives from one of the smallest dinosaurs in the forest, Compsognathus. Could these two dinosaurs have formed an unlikely partnership? Let's explore this fascinating prehistoric possibility. Stegosaurus could grow over 9 meters long and weigh several tons. Its intimidating tail could drive away predators, but it was nearly useless against parasites hiding between its thick scales and skin folds. Ancient ticks, mites, and biting insects likely thrived in the warm, humid Jurassic climate. These tiny pests irritated the giant herbivore, feeding on its blood and increasing the risk of infections. Unable to reach many parts of its own body, Stegosaurus may have tolerated smaller animals approaching if they offered relief from these relentless parasites. Compsognathus was a fast, agile dinosaur about the size of a chicken. Although small, it was an intelligent hunter capable of catching insects, small reptiles, and other tiny prey. Imagine a curious Compsognathus cautiously approaching a resting Stegosaurus. It hops onto the dinosaur's broad back, carefully moving between the towering plates. Its sharp eyes quickly spot clusters of parasites hidden in the skin. One by one, it snaps them up with lightning-fast precision. Every parasite becomes a nutritious meal for the little dinosaur, while the Stegosaurus enjoys relief from irritating bites. Both animals benefit. This type of relationship is known as mutualism, where both species gain something valuable. Scientists have never discovered direct fossil evidence proving that Compsognathus cleaned Stegosaurus. However, similar partnerships exist throughout nature today. Arc-speckers remove ticks from rhinos and buffalo. Cleaner wrasses pick parasites from large reef fish. Cleaner shrimp carefully groom Murray eels and groupers. These modern examples demonstrate that cleaning partnerships evolve whenever both animals benefit. Although we cannot confirm it, a similar relationship between Compsognathus and Stegosaurus is scientifically plausible and remains an intriguing possibility. In the prehistoric world, survival depended on more than strength alone. Sometimes, even the mightiest dinosaurs may have relied on the smallest creatures for help. A tiny Compsognathus searching for an easy meal could have given a giant Stegosaurus freedom from irritating parasites. While this scene remains a scientific reconstruction rather than an established fact, it reminds us that cooperation has shaped life on Earth for millions of years. From ancient forests to today's African savannas and coral reefs, nature continues to prove that the smallest helpers can make the biggest difference. If you enjoyed this journey into the Jurassic world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing prehistoric documentaries. See you in the next videos.